let's discuss the 7 foods with the potential to boost longevity. Nowadays, most diseases and persistent health issues are connected to the mitochondrial at a cellular level. Anything aiding in the support, maintenance, or enhancement of mitochondria could potentially extend your lifespan. Conversely, anything causing harm to the mitochondria will likely shorten it. At the forefront of our discussion is a remarkably potent molecule known as PQQ. This compound holds immense power as it boosts the quantity of mitochondria and plays a pivotal role in the continual flow of electrons within these cellular powerhouses. Exploring the realm of physics, which delves into electron dynamics, underscores the mitochondria's analogy as a biological battery. Essentially, mitochondria serve a crucial function in generating ATP, akin to many miniature batteries. Remarkably, PQQ possesses the ability to discharge and replenish energy stores, thereby increasing mitochondrial numbers. Its significance extends to cognitive processes, emphasizing its indispensability. Notably, PQQ surpasses resveratrol in potency by a factor of 10. Among the foods richest in PQQ, cacao stands out as a notable source, serving as a precursor to cocoa or chocolate. Following the processing stages, cocoa is heated and chocolate undergoes further refinement. Despite these processes, chocolate retains a significant amount of PQQ. However, it's essential to note the potential drawbacks of chocolate, primarily stemming from its sugar content. Opting for chocolate with a high cocoa percentage, such as 85% or even 90%, minimizes sugar intake. Additionally, cacao is abundant in oxalates, which may pose concerns for individuals prone to kidney stones. Yet, consuming chocolate in moderation, especially in conjunction with calcium-rich foods like cheese, can mitigate oxalate absorption due to the calcium's binding effect. Moreover, cacao or chocolate is rich in polyphenols and contains high levels of magnesium. However, polyphenols are not exclusive to chocolate. They are also present in berries, grass-fed meat, and grass-fed cheese. To illustrate, I conducted a study where I analyzed cattle meat and found remarkably high levels of polyphenols. This occurrence can be attributed to the animals consuming plants rich in polyphenols, indirectly transferring these compounds to the meat. Polyphenols play a vital role in increasing the number of mitochondria and enhancing the activity of SOD, an enzyme that combats oxidative stress. Additionally, polyphenols possess anti-inflammatory properties and aid in reducing hydrogen peroxide levels within cells. While individuals with compromised gut microbiomes may not fully benefit from polyphenols, those with a healthy gut microbiome can efficiently absorb these compounds. Furthermore, polyphenols derived from animal sources such as meat or goat's cheese may offer greater bioavailability compared to those obtained directly from plants. Additionally, Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, plays a crucial role in our mitochondria, particularly in the electron transport chain, which represents the final stage of the cellular energy production process. CoQ10 facilitates the movement of electrons, enabling the synthesis of ATP, the body's primary energy currency. It's noteworthy that statins, a class of medications used to lower cholesterol, inhibit an enzyme involved in CoQ10 production. Consequently, individuals taking statins should consider supplementing with CoQ10 to mitigate potential muscle-related side effects. CoQ10 also enhances the body's antioxidant capacity and serves as a therapeutic option for mitochondrial disorders. Moreover, CoQ10 is naturally present in foods like liver, red meat, and fatty fish, further emphasizing its importance in maintaining mitochondrial health. Moving on, let's talk about acetyl L-carnitine, ALC, and propionyl L-carnitine, PLC. These compounds play essential roles in fat metabolism, particularly during physical activity. ALC helps in preserving muscle protein during exercise, while PLC aids in post-exercise recovery. Interestingly, red meat is abundant in L-carnitine, despite being discouraged in some dietary recommendations. Now, let's shift our focus to carnosine, another vital molecule. Carnosine plays a significant role in restoring mitochondrial health by buffering pH levels, reducing inflammation, and combating oxidative stress. Moreover, it mitigates glycation, a process common in individuals with diabetes or those consuming excessive sugar. Carnosine's anti-aging properties are noteworthy, and unsurprisingly, it is predominantly found in red meat. Now, let's delve into another crucial compound, phycocyanin. Phycocyanin, predominantly found in spirulina, a type of algae, offers multifaceted benefits. Not only does it alleviate oxidative stress, but it also fosters mitochondrial biogenesis, enhancing the production of mitochondria. Additionally, phycocyanin aids in DNA protection and repair processes, contributing to overall cellular health. Moving on to our seventh contender, eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, collectively known as omega-3 fatty acids. These essential nutrients directly enhance mitochondrial function, while also reducing oxidative stress, improving insulin sensitivity, and mitigating inflammation. Rich sources of EPA and DHA include salmon, sardines, and particularly cod liver and cod liver oil. Remember that the choices we make in our diets can profoundly influence our health and longevity. We hope you found this exploration of longevity-enhancing foods insightful and empowering. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to our channel for more content on health